Cloud Explorer, GIS layers. Cloud Explorer uses layers to display different types of information that you might want to search for and view. Turning on a layer lets you see it in the app. When you click the Layers button, the pop-up will list the layers and groups of layers available to your organization. You can turn a layer or group of layers on or off by selecting or clearing its checkbox. Cloud Explorer displays layers on the image in the order in which those layers are listed in the Layers pop-up. It overlays the enabled layers one at a time, starting from the top of the list. Depending on what layers you've enabled, the last layers in the list could potentially cover up the others. Organization admins can change the default layer order in the Layer Admin app. To select layers to view, click the Layers toolbar button to open the pop-up. From the pop-up, select the checkboxes next to the groups or layers you want to display. You can group layers to make it easier to manage long lists of layers. Grouping them allows you to turn them all on and off at the same time, although you'll still be able to select them individually if needed. To turn a group of layers on or off, simply click the group name. A dash beside a layer group means only some of the layers within that group are disabled. Clicking the group checkbox repeatedly will cycle through selecting all layers, selecting none, and selecting individual layers. For more information about how to use EagleView's Cloud Explorer, please view our other training videos.